guys. Today we have a very special package. This one is very special to me because I've never had to deal with this particular brand before, AMIRI, or if that's what AMIRI. Yes, I think that's what it's called. I've seen a lot of big boys, big girls put this on, being passionate about this brand, but I've never had an opportunity to lay my hands on this brand because I just think, or when I say that, I thought that it was just too much for me, So I have this package that just came in and we're going to be seeing it together. And I'll be telling you from other experience or from other people's experiences what I've come to learn about this particular footwear that we have here, just in order to be able to convince you enough to actually get this. So let me just stop talking too much and get right into the details. So we have this package, as well as you can see the box is pretty clean, very clean with no damage, because they take in particular care in shipping your packages. They ship in through FedEx and make sure that you have your box come in very clean like this, no damage. So this would be the one we'll be looking at, and it says is the Bone Runner, and we have it in a color white and brown. Surprise! So let's get right into the video and let's get to surprise ourselves together. Yeah, so we have this, we have a dust bag for this. This is very gorgeous. We get this dust bag, and you see we have the AMIRI encryption on it as well. I mean, if you're looking for a of one quality, I would recommend the seller because the seller does a very good job. Like, this is my second package from this seller and he has never disappointed me at all. So, and many of you asked if there were other items that I had from this seller, and so we'll be looking at this today. So, okay, let's get into this. You'll be joining me as we look through the detailing. We have stitching here, and as you can see, the stitching is perfectly done all round with big laces. This is a bulky shoe. If you're into bulky shoes, we have the AMIRI printed here. The logo nicely done. Have AMIRI here as well. And we have AMIRI in as well. So this is just perfectly done with great comfort as well. So if you're looking to a high-class footwear, high-class sneakers for an impression, I would advise you get this. Also on the sole, we have AMIRI printed here, just perfectly done. I would definitely recommend this footwear or sneakers if you're looking to get one. I would have the description of how you should get the sneakers just down below. If you have any question, you can let me know. And I also secured a 15% discount for you guys, so you can save some money. And if you have any other sneakers you would like to see or you would like to get, just let me know and I will get that for you. Oh, this is just the other foot of the sneakers, and it's just perfect, So I will just let you go into detailing of this one. It's just gorgeous. You can get it for your boyfriend, your brother, for you, your sister, your father, for anybody. This will make a very beautiful gift idea, something that will be perfectly appreciated